In the modern urban world, compact living has become more than just a necessity. It's a lifestyle choice that celebrates efficiency and creativity. For those living in small apartments, the kitchen often poses the biggest design challenge. Balancing style and functionality within limited space demands both strategic planning and a keen eye for aesthetics. That's where minimalist design becomes the perfect solution. A small apartment minimalist kitchen transforms constraints into opportunities, using smart design principles to create a space that feels open, organized, and visually sophisticated. Every line, material, and element serves a purpose. The result? A kitchen that not only looks elegant, but also works seamlessly for everyday living. This video explores how minimalist design can help maximize space with both style and function, proving that even the smallest kitchens can make a powerful statement. 1. The essence of minimalism in small kitchens. Minimalism is not just about having fewer things, it's about creating more meaning with less clutter. In a small apartment kitchen, this philosophy takes on new importance. By eliminating visual distractions and focusing on what's essential, the space becomes cleaner, calmer, and more efficient. Minimalist design highlights clean lines, neutral colors, and natural light, all of which create a sense of spaciousness. When form follows function, every detail contributes to both usability and beauty. The result is a kitchen that feels larger, brighter, and more intentional, an ideal fit for small urban living. 2. Smart layout planning, the foundation of efficiency. The layout is the backbone of every great kitchen design, especially in a compact apartment. To maximize both style and function, the layout must prioritize movement and accessibility. The galley kitchen layout, with 2 parallel counters, offers excellent efficiency for tight spaces. The L-shaped design, on the other hand, provides a natural flow that integrates well into open-plan living areas. For the smallest spaces, a single-wall kitchen with upper and lower cabinets can deliver streamlined elegance. Regardless of layout, the key is maintaining the kitchen work triangle, a smooth relationship between the stove, sink, and refrigerator. This ensures you can move easily during cooking, cleaning, or food prep without feeling cramped. A well-planned layout transforms a small kitchen from a challenge into a perfectly tuned workspace. 3. Optimize storage with sleek, hidden solutions. In a minimalist kitchen, storage plays a starring role. Clutter is the enemy of both beauty and functionality, so smart storage design is essential to maintain visual calm. Consider full-height cabinets that extend to the ceiling. These create extra space for rarely used items while keeping the design cohesive. Pull-out drawers, rotating corner units, and vertical dividers make the most of every inch, ensuring even small nooks serve a purpose. Open shelving can also be used strategically to display only select items, like ceramic dishes or glassware, bringing personality without overwhelming the design. The secret is to hide clutter, not personality, keeping essentials accessible while maintaining a clean, uninterrupted flow. 4. Choose minimal yet impactful materials. In a minimalist kitchen, materials are used sparingly but meaningfully. They become a visual statement in themselves. Natural textures such as wood, stone, or matte metal finishes add warmth and sophistication without clutter. A combination of neutral tones, white, gray, beige, or light wood, helps reflect light and create a more open atmosphere. 4. Countertops, quartz, or solid surfaces offer durability and simplicity. Glossy finishes on cabinetry can bounce light around, making the room feel larger. On the other hand, matte finishes provide a calm, contemporary elegance that feels grounded and timeless. By limiting the material palette, you maintain harmony and flow, a hallmark of minimalist style. 5. Integrated appliances for seamless functionality. Modern minimalist kitchens thrive on integration and efficiency. Built-in or concealed appliances not only save space but also contribute to the clean, uncluttered look that defines minimalist design. Compact versions of essential appliances like slim dishwashers, under-counter refrigerators, or combination microwave ovens ensure no space goes unused. For the ultimate minimalist aesthetic, handleless cabinetry can hide appliances like fridges and dishwashers behind seamless panels, creating a continuous and cohesive look. This integration enhances both form and function, transforming a small kitchen into a polished, high-performance space. 6. Use lighting to expand perception. Lighting is one of the most powerful tools in small space design. In a minimalist kitchen, it does more than illuminate, it defines and enhances the atmosphere. Layered lighting, a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting, creates depth and functionality. Pendant lights above a breakfast bar or island can serve as design focal points. Under-cabinet LED strips brighten work surfaces and eliminate shadows, making the kitchen feel both larger and more functional. Wherever possible, maximize natural light through open windows, sheer curtains, or reflective surfaces. The brighter the space, the larger and more inviting it feels. Good lighting transforms small kitchens from purely functional to stylish and emotionally uplifting. 7. Declutter to highlight design details. One of the greatest strengths of minimalist design is its ability to make every detail matter. In small kitchens, visual clarity enhances both focus and beauty. Keep countertops clear of excess items. Store small appliances, utensils, and pantry goods out of sight. This not only improves functionality, but also lets subtle design elements, like textured backsplashes, sleek fixtures, or warm wood tones, shine through. A minimalist kitchen doesn't have to feel sterile, it just needs to breathe. Every visible object should have intention and harmony within the overall aesthetic. 8. Multipurpose furniture and flexible design. Small apartment kitchens benefit from pieces that serve more than one function. Multipurpose furniture helps conserve space while enhancing usability. A foldable dining table or extendable counter can double as a prep area. Bar-style seating can replace a traditional dining table. Wall-mounted or mobile storage carts add flexibility without permanent commitment. This adaptability ensures the kitchen remains practical throughout the day, whether for quick breakfasts, dinner prep, or social gatherings. Minimalism and flexibility go hand in hand, allowing your space to evolve with your lifestyle. 9. Add personality through subtle accents. While minimalism values restraint, it also allows for quiet expression. In small kitchens, where space is precious, subtle details create character without overwhelming the design. Add texture through natural elements, a stone backsplash, wooden cutting boards, or ceramic vases. Incorporate greenery with small indoor plants or hanging herbs to bring life and freshness. A touch of contrast, like matte black fixtures, a metallic faucet, or patterned tiles, can inject personality while maintaining minimalist harmony. Your goal is not to decorate, but to curate, selecting each detail with purpose and balance.